My name is Reena. Today we will discuss about everything you must know about legal notice and its format. Moving to the next slide. Now we will discuss about the meaning of a legal notice. So, a legal notice is a formal written communication between the parties. Through a legal notice, the sender notifies the recipient about his intention of undertaking legal proceedings against the latter. A legal notice also helps in making the receiving party aware types of notices. There are several kinds of legal notice, each serving a different purpose. First, public notice, second, constructive notice, and the third is personal and business notice. So let us discuss these all three notice in detail. Public notice. This is a notice meant to inform the general public. It's usually about legal changes or court cases that affect the public. These notices have to follow certain rules to make sure lots of people see them. Public notice can often be seen in newspapers or official public records. Constructive notice. This type of notice isn't directly delivered to a person. It is assumed that person should know because it's in public records. For example, if you are buying a house, you are supposed to know who legally owns it based on public property records. Personal and business notices. These are sent directly to specific people or business. If there's a conflict over property, the people involved would be sent to the parties involved in that dispute. Businesses also can get these notices in case there is a contractual problem or compliance. They need to follow these notices, usually need to reply from the person or businesses who received the legal notice from a lawyer. Now, we will discuss about the importance of legal notice. First, to settle the matter before trial so that time and money both are saved. Second, an individual with the help of an advocate can describe his complaints. The receiver of the notice comes to know about the acts that has been accused of. It is a key to filling the cases into honorable courts if the issues is not resolved separately. Now we will discuss how can you draft a legal notice. It is a simple document but it requires a legal expert who uses the correct form of language and is precise and accurate in sending the notice. Complainant can only send a legal notice if there is a civil suit in. If one intends to file a civil suit against a government, then that person has to serve a legal notice to the concerned governmental organization before filing a civil suit. Further, moving to the next slide. When to send a legal notice. In criminal cases, the state issues the warrant for the accused, but in civil cases, the complainant needs to file case, and to do that, he needs to send a legal notice to the receiver. Legal notice can be sent for the cases are first consumer complaint issues, second complaints against employer or employee, or the property disputes, fourth one is personal dispute and checks balance cases. Now we will discuss how to reply a legal notice. First, when you receive a legal notice, you need to reply to it in the given period. Not replying in the given period can be helpful for the addressee. You need to keep several things in mind while receiving a legal notice. First, once you receive a legal notice, you need to read it carefully to understand the issue rose. If the issue is not fully understood, the help of a legal expert should be taken. Second, if you have decided that you need to settle this in court, you need to brief your side of the facts and concerns to the lawyer. Finally, and the third one is you need to draft and reply to the sender by post or courier. Thank you.